day 3, and they've just been round to feed the giraffes. So that giraffe's having his breakfast, isn't he? And this one's coming for some breakfast. How amazing is this? There's 2 over here.
Where?
Can you see the 2 over there, Arlo, in that tree? They're eating their breakfast. And then there's 2 here.
Yeah, there's 4.
How amazing is that, Arlo?
And I can see some cows over there.
Yeah.
And I can see,
Look
a rogue giraffe.
How cool is that? See, we usually miss this because we've been heading to the parks, but because it's our water park day today, we're here, so we get to catch it. This is amazing. Hallie thinks it's a horse. She thinks all animals with 4 legs are horses at the minute. So.
That looks like a horsey and that looks like a horsey.
Arlo's ready for the water parks. Hallie's still in pyjamas. She's not quite ready yet. You do some dancing, Hallie? Yay! Who's here? Blizzard Beach. And it looks like we're the only ones in the park.
Literally. There's like 5 people at the gate.
Nobody here. Who's here? Hi.
Good morning, families. Good morning.
Santa's on his holidays. Hello.
Oh, how are we today?
Hello. How are you? Can we say hello?
How are we?
We're good, thank you. Are you okay, Santa? Say thank you. How are you getting on?
Oh, you had a bigger doggy.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, this is amazing. Hi. Look at all these bubbles, Arlo. Wow. Do you want to pop some? You can pop some. I'm sure they'll be fine if you pop some. Ready? Let's see how many you can pop now. Ready? Yay! Yay! Oh, there's more coming. There's more coming. Whoa! Mummy's gonna get one. Mummy's gonna get one. Yee! Can you see all the little snowmen? Wow! Oh, guys, honestly, the park is literally empty. Oh, it's amazing. Wow. Wow. Where do we want to sit? Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to day 3 of our Disney World holiday vlogs. Today I'm filming this intro from somewhere a bit different. We are actually at Blizzard Beach. We've been here about 5 minutes and honestly there's about 10 people here. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to film little bits, but obviously there is kids around and they're in the swimwear and stuff, so I'm not going to be filming loads just for that reason. Obviously I'll get as much as I can. But yeah, it's honestly, I'll try and get some of the slides and stuff, but it's literally amazing. So hope you enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, I'm going to go in the water, so I will catch up in a bit. You see Ola? Where's Ola? Yay! Oh, this is amazing. This is on my phone, guys, so it might be a bit bad quality. I'm sorry if it is. Yeah, what is it, Hallie?
No.
Oh no, okay. Hey, good job, Arlo. Yay! Are you going to splash it? Are you going down it again? Wait for Daddy, okay. Is he coming down? Waiting for Arlo to come down the slides. Oh. Yay! Not quite Cali River Rapids, is it? Get your rubber duck. Woo! Do you want to go on a donut one with Daddy? Are you going in, Hallie? Was it Anna and Elsa? Hallie's a bit unsure, guys. I'm not going to lie. She's usually like literally swims underwater and loves to splash, but she's a little bit... I think it might just take her a little bit of time to come round. A little bit on the nervous side. I think it's because they wanted her to have this vest on. And obviously she doesn't usually have that, so... But she should now run into Olaf, but I don't know if I'll be able to film because there's quite 3 other kids in there now. Hallie's had enough. She's fallen asleep.
Good job, buddy. You want to get him? Try again?
Me and Hallie are having a little floor picnic. Aren't we? Lay's. Nothing sounds you on a holiday like having Lay's crisps. I think Sam and Arlo have gone on the big rides. Cheers, Holly. What's that? Hi. You've just done the lazy river, haven't you?
It's well slow. It's cute for the kids and stuff. It's only like 2 foot deep or something, so.
You went with Arlo,
You fill out the dinghy twice. So probably a good job.
Arlo's loving it, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's having the best day.
The thing is, when they give you them life jackets as well, you know, you give them a bit more slack, don't you?
Yeah, true. Yeah, a bit more relaxed. Yeah. Oh, it's been great. Tell me all about the rides that you've been doing. Did you go on the donut one?
Yeah.
You're having the best time. You got dirty ducks. And you've just been going down that slide, haven't you? He's loving it, innit? Bless him.
This is your little chicken wrap you got.
Chicken map. So in true style again, we're just snacking before we use the energy to go and get our main food. Alan's got a wrap. Ooh, nice.
Wow, that's awesome. I might eat that.
Back from Blizzard Beach, quick turnaround. We're going to be our guest, so this, ignore the towel on the floor. This is my outfit for be our guest, little yellow dress. Arlo's outfit, he's got a denim jacket to go with that, haven't you? To match the beast, isn't it? You've got a blue jacket. Belle's here. It was a bit of a rush, but we made it. It was a rush because we got stuck in a parade. Our reservation was at 3:25 and the parade was at 3. We got caught in it. Anyway, we are here and we're in the ballroom, so I'm just going to show you now what I can see. How amazing is this? All the chandeliers up here. It's very noisy in here, so I'm sorry if it's a bit loud. Ali's got a bell dress on. Look out in here, like it's snowing. Oh, it's amazing. This is our menu. I'm going to have the French onion soup, I think. And then filet mignon. Where is it? There it is. And then I'm not sure. Oh, the top one, it's got to be, hasn't it, with the grey stuff. That's what I'm having for dessert. Yummy. I've ordered a Coke for now, but I'm definitely going to get a wine in a bit. Just Princess Belle having some apple juice there. I'm going to check back in when Beast comes round.
That's all.
Sorry, the lighting isn't the best in here. Oh, is that a bit better? Yeah. This is French onion soup. It's got loads of cheese on top. Looks really good. Arlo's just took it into his
Daddy, I did this by myself.
his fruit and cheese platter. What's the soup like? It's really good. And Hallie, we're trying to give her some stuff, but she's not eating it. And that is why they don't charge for under threes, because they don't eat anything. We're trying, guys, but she's not having it. So also, not gonna lie, she's watching Bluey. she wasn't in a good place, but she's good now. So, bon appetit.
Hello, who's it? The Beast. Here he comes up.
I started eating before I showed what we was having. Steak and mash, and it's so good. How amazing is that? Arlo is so excited about this. So these, you've got, no, you don't paint the glass. You've got red paint, yellow paint and blue paint, and you can paint your cup. And then you can eat it. It's all chocolate. Watch. Ready?
I paint.
Go on then.
Now we got a burger to paint.
Are you going to do some painting, darling?
So I'm going to pick the burger.
The burger. It's a macaron. The burger. Good job. That's cool, that, isn't it? That's really good for kids. It's also been a really good incentive to keep them sat still while we do it.
Thank you.
You're doing so good at it. And this is ours. So we've got the macaron, the grey stuff, obviously, and I can't remember what he said this is, but it looks really good. Thank you. Ready? Are we ready for Peter Pan? Yeah, we're gonna fly in the sky. Yeah.
remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
What are you saying, guys? We all good down there? Do you see him? We've just done Peter Pan, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we just done Peter Pan and we tried to get... We were going to get Lightning Lane for Small World, but the Lightning Lane
was longer than the queue.
Well, it's really busy. It's like, why is it so busy? It's Saturday night.
Yeah,
Saturday night. So it's very busy. So we're going to get Arlo a toy that we promised him, and then we've got a Lightning Lane for Buzz, haven't we? So... Buzz in. Plus, it makes more sense to do the late nights here when we're staying at the Poly because we'll be closer. So that's the plan. So yeah, we're gonna go to a shop, get Arlo's little gift, and which we promised him because he's been on so many roller coasters and he's done so well. So we're gonna get him that, and then we're gonna go on Buzz and see how different. It'll be interesting to see how different it is to Paris because you can't. You can't take the guns out.
Well, I think that's better though, isn't it? Because it's more steady, isn't it?
Oh, you can see Triton. Is it Triton?
Oh yeah, I was going to say Zeus, but never mind.
No. But look how pretty the park is at this time of night. It's
nice.
dusk, isn't it? It's
So
always my favourite. We're meant to be going to Tomorrowland.
Can I go through here?
We can drive. Feels weird for us, like not really knowing our way around the park now, doesn't it? Like
Yeah, we could, couldn't you?
with Paris, we've got it a bit down pat now, but look at that. Love it. So happy. So happy. Ready? Arlo, you went on this. Be our guest as well. If you're a parent of a young child or children, you'll know how hit and miss food places can be and whether they'll eat or not. Arlo loved it. He had cheese and strawberry fruit platter thing starter. He ate that. He ate the bread. Then he tried mac and cheese, which obviously is very different to what we would give mac and cheese. So he tried it, and he had some fries, and then his dessert, he loved the painting. So you get like a little white chocolate chip cut from Beauty and the Beast and some paints. And he
smells
loved
of petrol over here, doesn't it?
Oh, it's the Speedway, isn't it?
It smells awesome.
Yeah, it does smell really good. We need to get on that, don't we? We've got like a little list of like a bucket list for each park. But yeah, he loved it, and he said his favourite part of the day was meeting the Beast, which is made us laugh because Sam literally spent the whole morning going on water slides with him and taking him around Blizzard Beach. But his favourite part was meeting the Beast, so...
10 seconds.
Right, let's go. Going to a shop, aren't we?
Yeah.
Get him a little gift. Aww, we're talking to each other. Here we are, living proof that Arlo and Hallie sometimes are friends.
Oh, she's got a little smile on her face. These two have got a second wind, pointing at everything. This is it's our first time in Tomorrowland, so everything obviously is like brand new. Guys, I'm not sure who Hallie thinks that she is, but this is the current situation. Right, okay, Dumbo.
Hallie, who do you think you are? Let's go.
Dumbo, come on.
Dumbo. So, first kind of not negative experience of Genie Plus, but learning experience. It's all learning. Saturday night, Genie Plus, you're going to get on things quicker. You are going to get on things quicker, but all the other Lightning Lane, Genie Plus things, when we booked them, we've just walked on near enough.
Yeah, pretty
maybe
much,
like
yeah.
5 minute
10,
wait.
15 minutes tops.
Now it's probably 20-25 minutes. Like we was going to go on Buzz and
Right, the Lightning Lane was longer than the queue to get on.
yeah, the Lightning Lane was a lot longer. So we scrapped that and now we're going to go on Dumbo.
Yeah, we're going to go on Dumbo, which is this way.
And get Arlo a present. So I think as long as you're okay being adaptable, which we definitely are, then it's...
Yeah.
But again, I imagine like, we were talking to a lady before, she was only here for 3 days. You want to get everything done. We're here for 2 weeks, obviously, coming from the UK, we're here a bit longer. So we can kind of be like, oh, okay, can't do that tonight, we'll do it next week or whatever, so... Yeah. Anyway, Dumbo. I think the plan is Dumbo, Arlo gift, and then home.
Yeah.
We're tired. We're getting tired now. I got you. I got you. Yeah. Wow, Hallie. Look at the castle. See, we can see that castle. Wow. girl. Good girl. Woo! Woo! Ready for going down? Ready? Whee! You're okay.
See you soon.
Woo! Good girl. We've just had our photos done at this Rapunzel area. I will insert them now. Well and truly Disneyed out. Bless him. So the fireworks are about to start, well, in about an hour, but we're going to head back. But look how beautiful that tree is. Yeah, we're not going to watch fireworks tonight, the kids are too tired, but what an amazing day. It's been absolutely amazing, yeah. She's still going, the kid.
2-year-old. And we got what? 5-year-old.
Thank you.
2, 5.
Well, Holly.
Well done, Holly Bippington.
She's done so good. Okay guys, we crashed last night when we got back. We had like a little toast to our engagement, had a beer and a drink, and yeah, it was a lovely day. Got back super late, but this morning, some good news. Obviously this is the next day. Hallie got up at 6 o'clock, didn't she?
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, we've made it past 5. So thanks so much for watching this vlog. Sorry I'm wrapping it up the next day, but yeah, it just was very busy last night. So really hope you've enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have in the comments, and hit subscribe if you want to see more Disney World vlogs, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys. Do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Cause I found my way, my way.